Hey guys, it's John Muldoon from setupwp.com with another WordPress tutorial for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new blog posts or pages on your WordPress site. So I'm here on the demo site we're using, startablogdemo.com, and you can see we've got a theme installed and we've just got the basic WordPress installation done. I haven't created any posts yet or any pages, so by default you have this Hello World post that shows up whenever you install WordPress. And now I'm going to show you how to go in and edit it or delete it. So I'm going to click into the admin panel, and on the left you can see this link for posts. We're going to click on that. And this is your post manager. If we want to edit that Hello World post, we're just going to click on it. And you can see it's just exactly how you see it on the live site. There's just one or two sentences of text. We're going to add a few lines here. And if we click update, we've edited that post. And if we click on the live site and refresh it, you can see the new text we've added just shows up there. So you can see it's really easy to edit your content. But I'm going to delete this post and actually create a new post. So I'm going to go back into the administrator area, click on posts, and then I'm going to hover over the Hello World post and hit trash. That throws it in the trash can. And you can see we have no active posts. So now I'm going to add a new post. And this is where you enter your post title. So I've just typed a little sentence here and I'm going to click publish. You can see if I click view post, it'll take me to the post. Welcome to the SetUpWP demo site. This is a demo site created by John Muldoon as part of the How to Start a Blog guide at setupwp.com. Here's the interesting thing. What if you want this to be a link? Right now, it would be nice to be able to take people to the How to Start a Blog guide or to setupwp.com. But by default, it doesn't just automatically turn your text into a link. So I'm going to show you a few of the editing tools. I'm going to go back into the post editor. I'm going to highlight this How to Start a Blog guide. And I'm going to click this little icon here that looks like a chain to insert a link. I'm just going to grab the URL and paste it in. We want to open it in a new window. And then we click add link. And if I update that now and go refresh that, you'll see it's turned into a link. So if we click that now, it takes us straight to the How to Start a Blog guide on SetUpWP. So that's posts. You can add as many posts as you want. You can create categories. By default, there's just an uncategorized category. But we can add a new category and say demo content and hit add category. Then if we go back to our posts, we can edit this post and go down and change it from being uncategorized to being demo content. Obviously, you're going to have a better category than demo content depending on what your blog is about. Then I'm going to click update. And if we go to the live site and refresh, we'll see instead of it saying filed under uncategorized, it says filed under demo content. So if we had a ton of content on this site, we could click demo content and you could have a list of all the demo content or all the posts in the demo content category. Now here's the difference between posts and pages. I mentioned I was going to show you how to create a post and a page. You can put posts in categories. So if you're using WordPress for blogging, you're probably going to want to use posts for most of your content. If you're using WordPress for a small business website, it might make more sense to use pages because you don't need to put pages like your about page or your services page or your products pages into a category necessarily. But if you want to release announcements on your site, you could have an announcements category and put your announcements in that category, and you could sort your content and organize it however you want. So I'm going to go into the Pages editor, and you can see we have a sample page. It's very similar to the Hello World post. It's just an example page, and it shows you some of the different content layouts you can have. But I'm going to delete this page too. So I'm just going to click to add it to the trash. Then I'm going to click on Add New. And you can see this looks very similar to the post editor. I'm just going to write a quick page that is about SetUpWP. So I've added a little bit of text here, and you can see I've added a couple of links, one to the How to Start a Blog guide, another one to the SetUpWP homepage. I want to show you just a few formatting things. If you've ever used a word processor, it's going to be really intuitive for you, but you can highlight this text here and make it bold. You can make text italics or bold. You can add bullets or numbered lists or block quotes. If you click on this toolbar toggle, you can get extra options. If you wanted to add a heading, you could change this from being regular paragraph text to being a heading, and it'll make it larger. And if you want to publish this page, just click Publish. Now you can view this page live on the web. So you see we've got our heading text, we've got our links are set up, and that's how you create WordPress posts and pages. Of course, it's not very easy to get around this site yet because we just have this empty sidebar widget over here and we don't have any menus. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to control your widgets and your menus, which is a great way to organize your content, put links in your navigation, and help people get to the place they want to get to. For more great WordPress tutorials, check out setupwp.com. Click on the How to Start a Blog link. Thanks for watching, guys.